Hello, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the replay mod for Minecraft 1.19.3. So the first thing we're going to do is open up a browser and go to the 4 links I've provided down in the description. So the first one, you're going to want to go to the actual replay mod itself download link. So we're just going to click this giant download button next to the version 1.19.3, which is currently the latest at the time of this video. And we're going to click download, and that's just going to open up and give us an option of where to save it. I've saved it to the desktop already. I've already got these files, but you're going to just click save to the desktop or to your downloads folder. I'm going to click cancel, but you're going to click save. The next one we're going to go to is the Fabric installer. For this one, we're going to click the link under the giant blue button, and you're going to click save and then Fabric API. This is the download button for the Fabric API, so you're just going to click this button here, and that's going to download the file. And again, I'm going to click cancel, but you're going to click save. And the last link we're going to go to is the ffmpeg, is a file, a thing necessary for you to process videos when you're using replay mod. So this one I am going to actually hit save because there's a few extra steps we've got to take with that one. So we hit save, and you can just exit out of the browser now, and we should have 3 files: the Fabric installer, the replay mod, the Fabric API. Those are the 3 files, and ffmpeg.zip. It's a .zip file. So with this one, you're going to right click on it, and you're going to go extract files, or extract all, depending on which version of Windows you're on. And we're just going to hit OK. It should default extract to the same location you've got the zip file in. And that will give us a folder that looks like this called ffmpeg. And we're just going to open this file, and inside that file will be another file. I'm going to drag that file out onto the desktop, and that should automatically delete the previous folder. If it doesn't do that, you can just delete it manually. We can now delete this .zip file that we've just extracted because we don't need that anymore. And we're going to open up the Minecraft. Actually, no, we're going to do something else. We're going to go hit Windows key and R. So if you press Windows key and R at the same time, it will open up this little run window here, and we're going to type %sign, so just a %sign, which is just shift. You hit shift and then press 5, and then you're going to go app data %sign. So just hit % again, and we're going to hit enter, and that will bring up at the top of this file that it opens. It should have .minecraft. We're going to click on .minecraft, and we're going to scroll down and go to the mods folder. So if you don't have a mods, it's possible that if you've never done this before, you won't have a mods folder. So you would just go new, and then you would click folder, and then you would name it mods, all lowercase mods like that. But I'm not going to do that because I've already got a mods folder, so I'm just going to delete that new folder that I made. And you're going to open the mods folder. I've already got Worst and the Fabric API installed, but what you're going to do is you're going to drag the replay mod and the Fabric API, not the installer. Don't drag the installer in here. So the replay mod and the Fabric API, and we're going to drag it into the mods folder, and we're going to go back, and we're going to drag the ffmpeg folder just into the .minecraft folder. And it's, for me, I've already got it in here, so it's going to say replace files and destination, which is what I'm going to do. But for you, it should just drag in with no problems. So what you're going to do now is you're going to double click on the Fabric installer, and it's going to bring up a little window which looks like, just a second, let me get it. Little window is going to look like this. And it's going to give you a Minecraft version. You just set that to the latest version, and it will say create profile. Make sure that's ticked, and we're just going to hit install, and we're going to go. You've got to close Minecraft before you can do this, and just click no install, and it will install the Fabric installer, and it will give us a little OK window. We're just going to tick OK, and that is it. You've now got the replay mod. I'm just going to quickly open Minecraft and show you how to use it, or just the very basics of how. And it should have a new version, should pop up down here, called Fabric Loader 1.19.3, or whatever version it is for you now if you're watching this later in the future. And we're just going to hit play, and it'll give you a little window. You can just hit play without clicking the I understand button. We'll have this little button here called the replay viewer, and this is where you can come to see all of your rendered videos. So I'm going to just go into single player right now and go into my creative world and make a very quick demo of how to use the replay mod. So in order to start a recording, what you're going to do is you're going to hit the escape key. So what you're going to do to start a recording is just hit start recording, then go back to game, and then once you're done recording, you just hit escape and go stop recording, or you can go pause recording if you just want to pause for a while. And then we can go save and quit your title. So just save and quit to the title, and then we're going to click on, as you see, it'll save the replay file up in the top corner there, and we're just going to hit done when it saves, and then we're going to go into the replay viewer, and we're going to double click on this. We can freely view everything that's happened within chunks that are loaded for the duration of the recording. I can follow myself around, and if we want to record this, we're going to hit T. So if you hit the T button, that will give us our mouse back again, and we can come along here, and to start recording your video, press T, and then you're going to press add position keyframe. You're going to click that until it goes red, and you're also going to click the add time keyframe, and that will make your first reference point for recording. Then you hit play, and then you can move around, and we then put another keyframe and time frame, and then we'll hit play, and then once we're done, we can just hit render camera path. We should just be able to hit, then you just hit render, and it will begin rendering the video. And if you want, you can show a preview of the render, and it will give you a recording. As you can see here, it's a bit laggier when you use the show preview function. So if you want the video to load faster, you can just untick this little box here, and by default it will save to your ffmpeg videos file. So Windows key and R, and then you type percentage app data percentage and hit enter, and then you go .minecraft, and you should scroll down, and there'll be a folder called replay videos, and there'll be a folder called replay recordings, and it should show up here normally, but for some reason it shows up on my desktop for me. So yeah, anyway, that's how you get the replay mod, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.